Want to speak real Spanish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com.
Welcome to Can Do Spanish by SpanishPod101.com.
Hola a todos. Soy Víctor Trejo. Hi everyone. I'm Víctor Trejo. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about your family in Spanish.
This is Ben Lee. He's at a coffee shop with his classmate, Sylvia Ramirez. Ben is showing her some pictures. She points to one of them and asks, "Is this your family?"
¿Es tu familia?
Listen to the conversation and focus on the response. Ready?
¿Es tu familia?
Sí, mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo.
Once more with the English translation.
¿Es tu familia?
Is this your family?
Sí, mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo.
Yes, my father, my mother, my sister, and me.
Let's take a closer look at the conversation.
Do you remember how Sylvia asks, "Is this your family?"
¿Es tu familia?
Let's start with the word
Familia.
family.
Familia. Familia.
In Spanish, all nouns have grammatical gender and are either singular or plural.
Familia.
Is feminine and singular, a fact that can determine the form of other words in the sentence. Before
Familia.
is
Tú.
your.
Tú. Tú.
Together,
Tu familia.
your family.
Tu familia.
Moving to the start of the sentence,
Es.
is.
Es. Es. Es.
Comes from the verb,
Ser.
meaning to be. Altogether, it's.
¿Es tu familia?
This literally means, is your family, but it translates as, is this your family? Note, this is understood from context. Also, note the rising intonation of the sentence to indicate that it's a question.
¿Es tu familia?
Remember this question. You'll hear it again later. Let's take a closer look at the response. Do you remember how Ben says, "Yes, my father, my mother, my sister, and me"?
Sí, mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo.
First is the expression,
Sí.
meaning yes.
Sí. Sí.
It answers Sylvia's yes or no question, "Is this your family?"
¿Es tu familia?
After this, Ben points to the picture and says,
Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo.
first is
Mi papá.
my father,
Mi papá. Mi.
my,
Mi. Mi. Papá.
father,
Papá. Papá.
together it's
Mi papá.
my father.
Mi papá.
Next is
Mamá.
mother,
Mamá. Mamá. Mi mamá.
my mother.
Mi mamá.
After this is
Hermana.
sister,
Hermana. Hermana. Mi hermana.
my sister.
Mi hermana.
Next is
Y.
and.
Y. Y.
Last is
Yo.
which translates as me in this context.
Yo. Yo.
Altogether, it's
Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo.
my father, my mother, my sister, and me.
Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo.
The pattern is
Mi family member. Mi family member. Mi family member. Y yo.
my family member, my family member, my family member, and me. To use this pattern, simply replace the family member placeholder with the members of your family. Imagine your family members are your father, your mother, your brother, and you.
Hermano.
Brother,
Hermano. Hermano.
say, my father, my mother, my brother, and me.
Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermano y yo.
My father, my mother, my brother, and me.
Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermano y yo.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo. Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo.
Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermano y yo. Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermano y yo.
Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo. Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo.
Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana, mi hermano y yo. Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana, mi hermano y yo.
Mis papás y yo. Mis papás y yo. Did you notice how I replaced mi papá, mi mamá with mis papás? Mis papás y yo.
My parents and me. The phrase
Mis papás.
literally means my father's, but translates as my parents.
Mis papás. Papás.
Parents.
Papás. Papás. Papás.
Is plural, a fact that will determine the form of other words in the sentence. Before this is
Mis.
my.
Mis. Mis. Mis.
Is plural to agree with.
Papás.
Mis papás y yo.
My parents and me.
Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember the word for yes? Sí. Sí. And the word for father? Papá. Papá. And the phrase for my father? Mi papá. Mi papá. Do you remember the word for mother? Mamá. Mamá. Do you remember the word for sister? Hermana. Hermana. Do you remember the word for and? Y. Y. And how to say me? Yo. Yo. Do you remember how Ben says, my father, my mother, my sister, and me?
Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo.
Mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana, y yo. Do you remember the word for family? Familia. Familia. And the informal phrase for your family? Tu familia. Tu familia. Do you remember how Sylvia asked, is this your family?
¿Es tu familia?
¿Es tu familia? Do you remember the word for brother? Hermano. Hermano.
Let's practice. Imagine you're Sasha, Ben's younger sister. Respond to your friend's question referring to the photo. Don't forget to include the word for yes at the beginning of your response. Ready?
¿Es tu familia?
Sí, mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermano y yo.
Listen again and repeat.
Sí, mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermano y yo. Sí, mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermano y yo.
Let's try another. Imagine you're Ben's classmate, Ricardo. You have a father, mother, and sister. Ready?
¿Es tu familia? Sí, mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo.
Listen again and repeat.
Sí, mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo. Sí, mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana y yo.
Let's try one more. Imagine you're Ben's classmate and language exchange partner, Sylvia. You have a father, mother, sister, and brother. Ready?
¿Es tu familia?
Sí, mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana, mi hermano y yo.
Listen again and repeat.
Sí, mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana, mi hermano y yo. Sí, mi papá, mi mamá, mi hermana, mi hermano y yo.
This is the end of this lesson.
Remember, these can-do lessons are about learning practical language skills. Each lesson brings you closer to natural, fluent Spanish. Want to learn to speak even more Spanish the fast, fun, and easy way? Then sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Click the link in the description, sign up in seconds, access hundreds of audio and video lessons, and start speaking like a native speaker.
Hasta la próxima. See you next time.